guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and to press the bell icon to get notified on each video we post. So now we are starting to leave for Mumbai. सब चाय हो रही है फिल्टर टी मेरे तरफ से. So they are having tea.
Now we have come to Sakshi Ganapati Bhagwan Mandir just before we leave for our onward journey towards Mumbai. We are taking darshans, blessings, and then leaving for Pune or Solapur. That's the Sakshi Ganapati Mandir temple.
As you can see, the border we have already crossed. We are on this side. There's two kiddos having early morning breeze on the sunroof.
This is Telangana?
Telangana.
This is Telangana's Amrabad Tiger Reserve. So now this is the fourth Tiger Reserve which we are going to pass through. And today Drish is wide awake, but Janya is tired. She is sleeping. Literally the monkeys are on the road and we have to juggle the car when the monkeys are around. Here we can again see a lot of monkeys and they are trying to cross the roads. So Hyderabad from here is still 121 kilometer.
Huh. So the Hyderabad airport is on the left side and we have already entered Hyderabad just because we want to have McDonald's today. This is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport of Hyderabad. Yes, right now. हमने शूज़ वूज़ सब निकाल दिया था, even tissue boxes lying around and everything is a mess right now. आप देख सकते हैं मर्सिडीज और MG हेक्टर को टैक्सी बना दिया गया है. McDonald's is in Aero Plaza, so we'll quickly grab McDonald's. So here we are. So here McDonald's is inside. Let's go. Here we are at McDonald's. खाई लो इसे. So this is the way people order over here. McDonald's which we ordered is gonna take 4 to 5 minutes, so we are waiting. You can even do takeout on a procedure, but we like फटाफट खा लेंगे and then let's go.
Having burger. We are taking 3 wraps from Rapopella. So after taking the parcel from the Rapopella, the 3 wraps, and moving towards Pune now. जो अबे पाँचवें अपने
भले गाड़ी हो इंडियन है.
So we are back to our route, going towards Pune. So now see, you can see the board, welcome to Karnataka. So right now Drish has taken over my place and he's trying to help his dad now. And here Janya, she's sleeping.
So it's quite hot outside and Dad has been driving the car since morning. So the temperature of the car, the tire temperature of the car is like 63, 62, 60. It's very hot. Here's the Karnataka Maharashtra border.
just took a coffee break, much needed break after I don't know how many hours of drive. I started at around 6 o'clock and now it's 1 o'clock.
So we have crossed Solapur at around 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and right now it's 2:50. What is the further plan?
See, once we reach Pune, if I'm not too tired, then we might straight away go to Mumbai.
Now we have halted for jaggery tea. Can you see? We are planning to go further Mumbai. So here we can see Vidyapit, which is powered by Physics Wala. It took us around 1.5 hours to cross the Pune city. Car refueling.
Just refueling the car at Shell petrol pump. Usually the diesel cost is 94-95 types, but here it is 101. This being a private company, they say that the quality of diesel is way higher than the normal fuel pump. So I thought let me give it a try.
Come to a place where there is a big statue of Ganpati Bappa over here, well known for as Birla Ganpati Bappa Mandir.
So we are here again at McDonald's. So we're gonna quickly pick up burgers and 6 burgers, 2 fries and 2 coffee for me and dad. So we're just waiting and then we'll quickly pick up and go to the car and continue. Mumbai is only 3 hours from Pune, so we thought to extend and just go towards Mumbai. So 6 burgers and everything. 6 burgers and 2 fries. Now we are here for coffee. ये हो गया and coffee को time लगे.
Sharnam and Janya are coming with our dinner parcel. That also again from a McDonald's. When we started our trip to South India, that day we did not cross this patch. If you can see the traffic on the opposite side, it was because of this traffic we did not travel by this road. We took the old Pune Mumbai highway till Lonavala, and after that we entered this expressway. So we'll be reaching home by 11 p.m. and it's going to be all tired, but yes, we enjoyed this South India road trip, and we'll definitely come up with new trips, so stay tuned